Well, the drama just continues. This is Sebastian Ogier, out of 13, on his way to 14. He's pulled under the canopy here. The bonnet is up. They're working away on the, is it the cooling system? Yep, that's water. We saw that in Elfyn Evans. Back right is the filler for the cooling pack. Now, he's emptied some water into there. What has he done? You can see how messy. Look how messy his overalls are. Just to remind you what's happened here, Sebastian Ogier leading the rally. He still leads the rally, but coming through the opening stage this afternoon, through the water splash, that looks very, very similar to the Elfyn Evans incident. And take a look at that video. That's on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. Very similar to the damage that Elfyn Evans' car sustained when he came through the water splash. Ogier, well, again, it's not Frantic. Vincent Londes there, putting the helmets on. They know, well, they're putting the balaclava on. Have they managed to sort out what the problem? The question was, were they carrying an issue? It does look as if potentially they were. They still are. Oh, look at that damage. That is remarkably creased, the bonnet. This is interesting. They've used gaffer tape to hold the bonnet down. Sebastian trying to get those pins in there. That's some damage, it really is. Look at this. Oh, so using the screwdriver, the bonnet pins have gone. That's an Allen key being used there to hold the bonnet in place. Gaffer tape as well. Well, you don't often see this. Sebastian Ogier, he's not flustered, but my goodness me, this is a determined effort from Ogier and Londes, just drying off the bonnet. They're going to try and hold this down with a bit more gaffer tape. The Allen key is there. That would normally be a bonnet pin. Must have come out. The power of the water coming up, being forced up through the engine compartment, has basically battered that pin out and creased the bonnet there. It is quite incredible how much damage has been done. That is purely from the water splash. Goodness me. As you can see, look at this. They're holding the front end on with, that's like a ratchet strap there. Look at the ratchet strap here. Look at the ratchet strap all the way around. It tapers at ratchet strap, cable ties, and holding on the front bumper. You know, we know. What do we know about this stage? We know there's another water splash. There was an enormous amount of water when Elfyn came in. The rain has been lashing down for the last, 45 minutes an hour. How much more water is in there? Ogier is on his way. Oh, helmet, goodness me. That's good luck, Sebastian Ogier. My word, he's going to need it. He is going to need it. He has the slenderest of leads heading into this stage. Just around about 4 seconds from Lappy, 7.5 seconds from Thierry Neuville. What have they managed to do here? I find it hard to believe that the force of the water has caused all of that damage. The creased bonnet, the bonnet pin popped out with the force of the water. The car has started. Looks okay. Here they go. Wish them luck. They are heading in to stage 14. 2 more to go today. The weather is closing in. Ogier has a lead to defend. What can he do? We will keep an eye. We're heading to the end of the stage. Fingers crossed Ogier gets there.